Okay, so previously I've already shown you the Realme 5 Pro, and it comes with a quad camera setup, a decent processor, and it also comes with a large battery capacity. But if you're looking for something more affordable, Realme has also introduced another smartphone called the Realme 5, and it also comes with a quad camera setup, and it also has a larger battery capacity than the Realme 5 Pro. So without further ado, let's check out what's inside the box. Okay, so let's open this up. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Oh, thank you. Okay, and inside you'll get a same jelly case, the black one, which is good to have. And this is the Realme 5. Then we also have this charging brick, but sadly there's no VOOC flash charge. Okay, so it only supports 10 watt. Okay, and it also comes with a micro USB cable. Okay, so the Realme 5 Pro has a micro USB-C cable, and this one has a micro USB cable. And you also get your SIM ejector tool. So that's about it. That's what you get inside the box of the Realme 5. Let's just put this down. Okay, so let's take a look at the Realme 5. Okay. It has this same holographic and geometric design, but the Realme 5 Pro has this really nice gradient that shifts from blue to purple. But as you can see on this smartphone, it is only a plain blue color. But I think the pattern makes it really interesting. If you reflect to the light, it looks really nice. At the back, you can also see there's a quad camera setup and the signature Realme ring. So there's 4 cameras here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also a typical fingerprint scanner. So let's look around at this device. The only difference I think is that the Realme 5 uses a micro USB port, while the Realme 5 Pro has been upgraded to a USB-C port. But other than that, it's actually the same. You'll still get a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's also speakers, and at the right side, there's a power button, and at the left side, there is also the volume rocker and the SIM slot. So let's check out what's inside the SIM slot. So the Realme 5 Pro comes with a dedicated slot. Oh, it's the same as well. You can still put 2 nano SIM as well as 1 micro SD card. If that's not enough storage, you can always add more. So up front, the Realme 5 comes with a slightly larger 6.5-inch screen, but the resolution is only HD+, and it is also an LCD panel. It also has a tiny notch that houses the selfie camera. So powering the smartphone is a Snapdragon 665 processor, and it is a huge upgrade from the current Realme 3 that only has a MediaTek P60 processor. It also has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Although it has a quad camera setup just like the more capable Realme 5 Pro, the main camera, however, has a lower resolution at 12 megapixel. But other than that, it still gets the same 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel camera for bokeh effects. And here are the sample photos taken by the Realme 5. Keeping the device up and running is a huge 5000 mAh battery that is rated to last up to 8.5 hours of PUBG gaming. But it still charges via a micro USB cable, and it only comes with a standard 10-watt charger. So imagine how much time required to fully charge this smartphone. And just like the Realme 5 Pro, the pricing and availability details are still unknown yet, but we will definitely keep you updated if it arrives in Malaysia. So stay tuned to soyachincau.com for more information. So that's it from me. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed whenever we post a new video. And remember to check out our latest video here, and also another video right over here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.